Hi guys, this is Eric down at Moms in Foxborough. I just wanted to come to you today with this awesome build we just did on a 2021 Challenger. I'm sure many of you have heard the cam kit just came out for the new Power Plus engine. So anybody that's ridden this bike, you've felt how powerful this stock engine is. So you're just going to be that much more surprised when you ride it with the Stage 2 setup going. We didn't want to do just an engine build, so as you can see, we also did the Indian mid-rise bars on this bike. We did the flare windshield, which has been very popular to add. If you're doing the cam job, you also have to do an intake and an exhaust system if you haven't already done so. So you can see the Indian Performance Stage 1 intake on this bike. And then for the exhaust, we ended up going with the Bassani Road Rage 2-in-1 system. This is a complete system that you can get from Bassani. We got it in the black. You can get it in chrome as well. But it adds a really nice deep sound to this bike. And obviously 2-in-1 is gonna help just that much more with the performance. We have this bike on sale for $27,999. That'll be for the base model 2021 Challenger. And also the complete build with all the parts you see installed. If you are interested in this Challenger or scheduling a service to have the cams installed on your own Challenger, please give us a call today. We are open from 9 to 5, Tuesday through Friday, and from Saturday from 9 to 4.